Hey, my name's Mike. I'm just calling because it's my girlfriend and I's 2-year anniversary tonight. And I wanted to take her out for like a romantic dinner date to a nice restaurant or something like that.
Right.
The only problem is she's a vegan, which means she only eats like vegan foods, and I'm finding it really hard to find good restaurants that do like good vegan foods. So I guess the reason I'm calling is to check if you guys do vegan food.
Oh, I'm not actually sure, man. I'll just ask the manager. Do you mind if I put you on hold?
No.
Don't put me on hold. 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 Put me on hold. Put me on hold. Put me on hold. Put me on hold.
Hey, man, you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah, look, I just spoke to the manager and no, we don't do anything even remotely vegan on the menu. Yeah, my manager hates vegans. Yeah, this is a steakhouse.
Well, couldn't you just do like a salad or something like that?
Nah, he said all our salads have to have meat in them.
Right. Well, do you know anywhere in the local area that does vegan food at all?
Not really, man. See, I'm new to town. I only just got this job. My girlfriend and I moved here a couple of weeks ago. The only place we've been is this great vegan restaurant for our 2-year anniversary.
Dude, that's literally exactly what I'm looking for. Where was that?
I can't remember where it was, but I wrote down the number. Let me get it for you. Can I put you on hold?
No!
Don't put me on hold. 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 I'm calling around all over town, getting put on hold, and it's bringing me down. Make this hold music go away. They put me on hold every single day.
Hello?
Hey, my name's Mike. I got your number from a guy at another restaurant actually, and they said you guys do really good vegan foods, and look, I'm just trying to organize a fancy dinner date for me and my girlfriend's 2-year anniversary.
Oh yeah, mate, we do a great vegan food. We just won most popular vegan restaurant in town last week. You're gonna love it here.
That's awesome, man. I can't wait to try it. My girlfriend loves vegan food. She's a vegan. So could you put us down on a table for 2 tonight?
Oh, tonight, you're not gonna have much luck with that tonight, mate. Yeah, we're the most popular vegan place in town. I don't know if I said that. You can't just book a table on the night. That's crazy.
Oh, well, how long's the wait then?
Mate, you're looking at a month before you can eat here.
Oh, come on. Isn't there anything you can do for me, man? It's just a table for 2 for me and my girlfriend.
Alright, let me chat to the manager. I'll see what I can do. Just put you on hold.
No!